today's video, I'm going to talk about hand care and foot care products that I use. Hi, my name is Maham, also known as Malika E Maham. You can find me here on YouTube and on Instagram as Malika E Maham. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's about 68% of you guys who are watching right now who are not subscribed to my channel, so please make sure that if you're watching this video that you hit the subscribe button. It's totally for free and I will super appreciate it. I like to use Mrs. Mayer's hand soap. This is a clean brand. It's free of many toxins and also the plastic is totally recyclable, which is really awesome. This one is in lavender scent, but since COVID-19 is going on, we didn't get to order the lavender scent. We ordered a different scent, but it's always Mrs. Mayer's. I have these things in all of the bathrooms in my house. I pretty much just replace the fluid that's inside of these. I love the minimalistic design. These are from Target. Super inexpensive, but they make your bathroom look really nice. After you're done washing your hands, you're probably gonna wanna take off some nail polish. I have a few nail polish removers here that I wanna share with you. This is the Formula X Delete All Nail Polish Remover. Oh, you can fit all of your 5 fingers into here. This was a really awesome one, but they stopped making this one. We can't get this anymore, but if in your country they have something like this where you can stick 5 of your fingers in there, I think you should check this out. It's really easy to switch up your nail polish. Like, I switch up my nail polish really fast because how easy it is for me to remove my nail polish. This one is from Sephora brand and this is an instant nail polish remover. This does 1 finger at a time. It has like a Brillo pad, not a Brillo pad, but there's sponge and then there's this also other texture, I would say. And it's really awesome to remove glitter nail polish or red or maroon nail polish. I don't like to mix the red and the glitter in my regular nail polish remover. Because I cannot purchase this anymore, the Delete All. I've been exploring. I have found this. This is very strong. This is an acetone nail polish remover. I got this because I needed to get glitter polish off. The only thing that would work for glitter polish was this at the drugstore, and it was really great, except for it broke, which kind of pissed me off, but it still works just fine. I'm going to show you a close-up. On the inside it has like bristles that are sticking out. They're plastic bristles. They work really well with taking off like glitter polish because it scrubs the nail, but you can only do 1 nail at a time. You can't go in with all 5 nails. Still, this is my favorite method to remove my nail polish. It's Beauty 360. They have some amazing tools. They also have individual packets, but I couldn't find the individual packets, so I went with this thing because this was the most convenient thing, and I think it was under $10. The last thing that I wanted to mention is the JOSIE MARAN nail wipes. These are amazing. I cannot find them in the market anymore, but if anyone knows where I can find some of these, I would really highly appreciate it if you can leave it in the comment section below this video, because I need to get my hands on some of these again. 3-in-1 polish remover, cuticle and nail treatment. And it was in lavender scent, which is like my favorite scent. But I'm all out. There were only 20 wipes in here. You see how my hands are really dry right now? My nails get way too dry using the acetone nail polish remover, but this thing, whatever this thing mixture that JOSIE MARAN came up with is amazing. It not only is gentle, it's nourishing, and it removes the nail polish amazingly. And since it's a wipe, you just take it out and you do your stuff and you toss it out. It's the best out of everything I've used so far. These are all of the nail tools that I have. All of these tools are from TWEEZERMAN. I like to cut my nail filer in half because I tend to use the edges of the nail filer more. TWEEZERMAN nail filer super standard. Then this is the TWEEZERMAN cuticle cutter. I used to go insane on my cuticles using this cuticle cutter, but now I usually just take off the hangnails around. Before I used to carve a shape out. When I was going into my cuticles really aggressively, it would turn pink. Every time your cuticle turns pink, when the sun hits your cuticle, it's gonna make it darker. Just keep that in mind. It took me some time to lighten my cuticles, but if you have a skincare routine, just keep applying the same products on your hands, because obviously you're using your hands to apply these products. These are amazing to trim your nails. I don't even own a nail clipper anymore. I know I have hooked a lot of people onto this device. A lot of men love this as well. This is something really fun for men to have in their grooming kit. And then I took this from my mom. This is a glass nail filer. I love a nice glass nail filer. I find that they all work the same. My nails have ripples. In those areas when the ripples start getting really deep, I go in with the nail filer to buff that out. My nails are discolored because of the yellow color that I've been wearing a lot, which I'm gonna wear again today. They're yellow because they get stained from the nail polish, and so this is how my natural nails are. I don't want to buff them down too much because I don't want to lose the hardness of my nails. Once I'm done with all of that, it's time to paint. A lot of times what ends up happening is I have a nail polish that I've owned for a very long time, and then I want to use the color, and the color has separated really badly and it's gotten kind of thick. Not to the point where it's solid, it's still liquidy, but it needs a little help. I always keep this ORLY nail lacquer thinner. It has saved so many of my nail polishes. I used to have a big collection of nail polishes, and a lot of them started going bad because I wasn't using them fast enough. It's really awesome to have something like this in your arsenal if you are somebody who does their own nails. This is something that will hopefully rejuvenate your old nail polish. Another thing I want to say about rejuvenating your old nail polishes is if you own like a electric heated blanket, or if you own an a heated pillow, I like to plug my pillow in, put the nail polishes in there. The ones that I want to use, they end up getting really nicely warmed up and liquefied. A lot of the times when I'm storing my nail polishes, they're in a dry, cold environment, so they tend to get kind of hard. I think it's really awesome if you have some hot water, like stick a container filled with water in the microwave and then take it out after it's heated up, like it's hot water, and then just drop your nail polishes in there and they're gonna apply so much nicer. The color is gonna be richer. It's the cheapest, best way to make your nail polishes fluid. So this is my top coat. I've been using JOSIE for almost 10-12 years now. I've had this huge container full of JOSIE, so I was emptying it into my personal size bottle. It gave me a lot of refills. I actually used to have 2 of these. I've gone through 2 of these. I'm very familiar with this formula. I want a formula that's thinner than this. I'm on the market for a nail top coat. If you have a suggestion for me that is inexpensive, leave it in the comment section of this video. I would highly appreciate it if you share something with me on this. Fast dry top coat. That is it from me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you learned something new. Please make sure to share your recommendations with me. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comment section below this video. I will see you in my next video. Take care, have a wonderful evening, and Allah Hafiz.